Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Blvk H3ro is on a mission and it is charting. The album On a Mission, dropped last week by Blvk H3ro, has made its way into the charts, note by note, impacting playlists since being released last Friday. The album hits the iTunes Reggae charts at number 1 in Switzerland, number 11 in the US, 28 in Sweden, and the single Annabella remix featuring British artist Coco Funds, making the top 100 in the UK at 98.
Never leave you lonely, and baby I'm the one to rock you slowly. You can call me anytime, I give you all you want me. Annabella, fine, everyone in the dance want you. Annabella, make you mine. One long time I want you.
His debut 15-track project, including collabs with Skillibeng, TJ, Anthony B, Dre Island, DeMarco, and Lolly. The initial response from fans and critics alike have been overwhelmingly positive, setting the stage for what promises to be an exceptional chapter for Blvk H3ro's artistic journey. International superstar Chris Brown, who is in the island for the highly anticipated Chris Brown and Friends concert on Sunday, was spotted at Mecca nightclub in Kingston last night. Brown is set to give a high-level performance for the concert at the National Stadium. He'll be joined by reggae and dancehall artists TJ, Ding Dong, Idonia, Baron Messiah, Grams Morgan, and others. Bazaar Weekend boasts 5 events across Kingston starting tonight. Communications Director of the weekend, Judith Bodley, shared details on the events.
We start off with Hot on the 25th. That's event number 1. Event number 2 is Remember This, which is an ode to 90s dancehall and reggae. And then we move to Jada Kingdom in a role you're not accustomed to seeing her in for Rise and Toast, the brunch inclusive party. And then after that we have Indigo Soiree, culminating then with Chris Brown and Friends under the influence the Jamaica leg.
See you at Bazaar. Clark's releases Dancehall Collection. Clark's Original introduced its Dancehall Collection on Wednesday, inspired by Jamaica, a nation that it says continues to embrace the famed company's shoe styles. The collection consists of 6 new styles that incorporate vibrant hues, intricate detailing, and premium materials. Both the Clark's Original Wallaby and Wallaby boot silhouettes were reinvented for this collection, cast in bold and rich shades of green, blush pink, and blue that echo the vibrancy of Caribbean culture. Clark says that since they first hit the streets of Kingston, their profiles have occupied a special place in Jamaican culture. To celebrate this truly original collection, they have crafted a limited edition new collection. In 2021, Clark's released the Jamaican Trek, the Jamaica Bee and Desert Jamaica, incorporating black, green, and gold of the Jamaican flag into their signature bank robber, wallaby, and desert boots to create the collection. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Keep safe.